Today it's still Thursday, May 30, 2024. Earlier, I don't know, 2 hours ago, I spoke with the owner of this engine. I sent a picture of the engine number just to be on the same page, don't have any headache, alright? I have a wash, this is the first wash of the engine block. I have the timing cover, the crankshaft bearing caps, the old bolts here. I'm gonna explain what's my priority. My priority is to don't have a sealant anywhere here, alright, in both surfaces here, to be nice and clean as it is right now. To don't have anything here to be beautiful, you know, nice, don't have any pieces. Same thing for the crankshaft bearing caps, it's being washed, alright. The same thing here where it's coming the timing cover, alright. Please note that I haven't taken care of the details. There are some small things here and there, alright. Give me a break, I don't care about that. I do care, like I said, this surface here, this surface here, alright. The surface of the timing cover here, you see that there is some sealant here. When it comes back, I can clean it again. I'm gonna clean it actually properly. Don't have anywhere here a sealant. I leave also here outside. There is nothing wrong with that. You're gonna see when it comes the time. Here, you see sealant here. Here it doesn't have, but here it has, and it has a little bit here on the surface. You're not gonna have any problem from this side. So okay, I didn't make the details. I didn't clean the bore here for the cable. I didn't clean the bore here for the fitting. You see, to get a new one. All this I'm taking care about that when it comes the time, not now. Alright, same thing down here and same thing here. You see some gasket material here that's still visible from the water pump gasket, and you can feel it also here. That's not the priority right now. The priority is because it's 8 o'clock at night and tomorrow morning you're gonna come the driver from the machine shop to get the block. What's the priority? Getting the crankshaft bearing caps, put a little bit of oil here, you know, to slide nicely inside, a little bit, not too much, so don't make any scratches. Torque down inner, outer bolts, side bolts in order, how it's supposed to be. After doing that, putting the timing cover, dang it, I forget to bring the torque plates. 1 second to bring also the torque plates, give me a second. Alright, torque plates. That's the torque plates for the 157, alright? The correct height, like a cylinder head. Dang it. Yeah, this is not clean, it has an oil on it, because it does matter. It has an oil for a maintenance, it's not something crazy. Then, the crankshaft, right? Let me make it upside up. That's the side here. That's the rear one. You see here, that's what I was saying. You see that it has some silicone there, sealant. All this I'm gonna take care, and has also still some sealant here inside. Where's the threads? I'm gonna take care of this because I don't have the scissor table. They're using the guys. They put another engine on it. We have 5 engines outside. But when it comes back, I'm gonna be able to put it on the table, to put a carton down and take care of all these small details. Oil galleries and all these things, I have already washed it. All of them to be beautiful, to be nice, to be spotless. It doesn't matter because it goes at the machine shop and it has to be machined. You're gonna create chips, but I would like to be nice and clean. Now that's the cylinders. Yeah, it's important thing also to show you the cylinders. On the Valley I didn't spend too much time. It looks much more decent than before. It's not dirt anymore. It's nice and washed, but you see it's not so much bright. But there is nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Then cylinder number 5. That's what I showed you before. It touch here and touch there. At top dead center, bottom dead center. That's the number 6. Alright. And there is also the up. And there is also the up. Through the phone it doesn't look that bad, but if you get a measurement, okay, this looks bad. And this one. 7 and 8 looks beautiful, but you can say goodbye. I'm gonna show you 1 second because now Omar! Yeah, come inside, Omar. Let me show you something. Come inside! Are you deaf or what? Come on, what tough? Yeah, what's up? I'm recording, eh? Alright, so you see this nice cylinder? Forget it. This goes for sleeves. Alright?
You want to see this be like this?
What? Yeah, it's alright. Just to don't have any headache. Alright, then What I was willing to say, yeah, we saw the engine upside up, upside down, washers here to don't hurt the block because it had some marks. This does mean that we're gonna make more marks, okay? And when we're gonna put it together at the end, you're gonna see that we're gonna have washers again here. The crankshaft, you put it on a wooden box, right? For the machine shop.
No, I just wrap it with the...
Let me go to see where's the crankshaft. You have to put it inside the box. Let's go to see. Close the door. Don't come any fly inside. Then we're gonna come crazy, and then you're gonna chase the fly until you kill it all day. What all day? It's already night. Yeah. All right. Let's go to see where's the crank. Put the crank. The crank is here, next to the bottle of water. Yeah. That's the crank here, and you have to. Oh, fuck. This is from the. Yeah. You have to put it here in this box.
Okay, it's coming inside, right? Easily?
Yeah, of course it comes. This is how they're sending us from the machine shop the crankshafts.
I will put it.
So you have to open the cover, you put this inside, you're closing it, put some rags left and right. That's how they're sending. And the rotary table and that one. We have to send at the machine shop. Alright, back inside the engine room. I'm showing to you a little bit more details because it's not a customer or an owner that he can come here at the garage and see his parts, see his engine. That's why, like I said on the previous video, you can see the same video another 10 times, 20 times maybe. I don't remember how many times. But this is for different customer, this is for different owner. Now, give me 1 second for you to put the crankshaft bearing caps to torque it down, to torque down the timing cover. And before I wrap it, I'm gonna make another video, and then we're gonna wrap it. Yeah. 1 second for you. Now, crankshaft bearing caps, done, torqued down. All of them in place. Timing cover, here, like any other time, it has a perfect alignment, alright, at this point, not up, we're gonna see later. What I have done here, 1, 2, 3, 45 torques, these are the same size on the left. Then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, same length. This is the longer one, all of them are 5.7, they have one. And this is the shortest one that has a timing cover. In total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bolts. Why I'm counting the bolts? It doesn't make any difference, any sense. I don't even know that there was 11 in total, but I would like to get it back from the machine shop with these bolts actually as I'm sending it. Just only to have the sleeves and to be resurfaced. Alright, that's what I'm expecting to get back. To be honest, I don't care if you lose this bolt because this has a rust, this bolt, and I'm planning to replace it. So for this bolt, you can lose it if you want. None other. All the others, I need all the other bolts. Now, torque plates are here, let's make it upside up. And then wrapping it and going out. Yeah, okay, it's not that bad. I have seen much worse than this. yeah, okay, it's positive. The timing cover is positive, it's higher than the deck. I'm not gonna get any measurement, it doesn't matter. I think I have a video for that. Yes, it is positive. It is positive here. If I get the straight edge and I put the filler keys, you're gonna see. This is gonna be a headache if you want to remove the timing cover later on, and you have a positive here. You're gonna have a little bit trouble, especially when you are inserted back again inside for the head gasket. It's not gonna be. The pins are in place, by the way. Obviously, it's important to be there. It's important to be torqued down nicely for the when they will gonna resurface it. It's important to make some scratches inside the cylinder. It's not bad to see how soft it is, the cylinder, if you don't know. Me, I'm doing it for fun. Let me wrap it. Let me wrap it, then taking it out from the stand. Do I have to show you something else? No, nothing. Nothing else, right? Have the oil pump there, the injectors, I showed you this on the previous video. The customer, he brought also the 2 gaskets and some other stuff. The high pressure pumps are there. Please forget that one. What's that? That's it. Lovely. Now, by the way, for the machine shop, I have to tell them, because the last time, the last sleeved block, what they did, they resurfaced the deck here, they resurfaced properly the timing cover, as supposed to be nice, alright, everything's okay. What did they miss? 1, 2, 3. These 3 pieces, they didn't resurface it, they leave it outside. And I had to file it. And one, it's not touching, I think, it's outside of the cylinder head, but the other 2, they're touching, that's what I remember. In any case, with the deck need to be resurfaced also 1, 2, 3 from this side and 3 from the other side to be Tassos happy. Right? Right. It's fine, it's fine. Lovely, lovely, beautiful. Yep. We are looking good. We are looking good. All the burnt oil and all these things went away. I am gonna wash it again. I'm not gonna pressure wash it. And I'm not gonna use a petrol or something, any strong chemical. I mentioned before, I'm afraid about the glue and the seals that has its sleeve. And I don't want to have a chance to have any problem, any failure. Right? Good thing is that we have here the car, so we can check the car at the end. We can have the first start. We can drive it a little bit. We have to get... How are we gonna drive it? It has a number plate from the United States. Oh boy. That's a different story. Yeah. We're gonna leave it running a little bit. Yeah, it's not good to leave it idling forever. Obviously. That's it for now. Next video, when I get back the engine block with the sleeves, when we're gonna get the crankshaft back, I'm gonna have also the torque plates back, because it comes back to me, the torque plates. I'm bolting it down. I have to give them, yeah, I have to give them the 2 head gaskets, old head gaskets. Yeah, I think they have it there. I think that they keep it there, but I might give another one. Yeah, I have to put myself together, write on paper what we need to be on the same page. Lovely, eh? Nice, nice. I'm talking about that does have corrosion, you know, white marks from the coolant. It looks beautiful. Splendid, lovely. There is some sound here. Yeah, Tassos, you're blind. It doesn't matter now. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. When it comes back, you can have some chips, aluminum chips, because of the cylinders, because of the resurface. Yeah, need to be washed again. The most things went away. That's the thing. Lovely. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Over and out. I need to finalize the 157, and tomorrow I'm starting with the 113K. Because this engine has priority. That's why I have it here. And yesterday I washed the engine room. I cleaned the floor. I might clean it again. I might bring the vacuum cleaner and clean a little bit more before I open any parts for this engine and the other parts that I have back over there. That's the plan. I didn't make it dirty. I just step inside with some oil so I can wash this area here. Right? This carefully to don't fail anything inside. I'm not gonna keep it there. The stupid turbochargers from the previous that I have, this for scrap actually. Why I have to put in one box and throw it out probably, or keep it under of any table. And whenever I'm gonna remember it, I'm gonna do it. We're gonna see. We're gonna see about that. Anything else? No, nothing more, nothing less. That's it. Over and out. Have a good night. Next video. After the 113K, dang it, shit, when I'm gonna... I have to continue with the BMW. Because after the 113K it has a priority the BMW, the M8. The E63 B44. I have prepared a couple of parts, but I have to wash it again because I leave it uncovered and I don't even remember what I have done, honestly. Any crankshaft main bearing for M157 and M177. All the colors are here. These are the connections, the connection bearings here from. Finish. Enough talking. Over and out. Let me wrap it. Thank you.